Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn alphabet and numbers. Let's trace and paint them together.
The farmer in the dell. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes the wife. The farmer takes the wife. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife.
B.
The wife takes the child. The wife takes the child. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the wife takes the
C.
child. The child takes the nurse. The child takes the nurse.
One.
Hi-ho the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse. The nurse takes the cow.
2.
The nurse takes the cow. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the nurse takes the cow. The cow takes the dog. The cow takes the dog.
Three.
Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog. The dog takes the cat. The dog takes the cat. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the dog takes the cat. The cat takes the mouse.
Red color.
The cat takes the mouse. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cat
Orange
takes
color.
the mouse.
Yellow
The
color.
mouse takes the cheese. The mouse takes the cheese.
Blue
Hi-ho
color.
the dairy-o, the mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone.
Green color.
The cheese stands alone. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cheese
Purple
stands
color.
alone. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone.
Pink color. Brown color. A is for airplane. It flies in the sky. B is for baby. Sometimes it may cry. C is for clock. It tells you the time. 1 baby arrives. 2 tiny hands hold. 3 sweet kisses given. A 1, B 2, C 3. Please like and subscribe to my channel.